welcome everybody. I'm just going to be going through a little bit of 4A. Write the missing words in this sentence. So the hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angled triangle. I'm just going to write hip. Hypotenuse of right angled triangle. Which letter marks the length of the hypotenuse in these triangles? The hypotenuse is always going to be opposite the right angle. So C, X, that direction, U. Decide if these equations are true or false. 2 squared plus 3 squared will not equal 4 squared. 6 squared plus 8 squared will equal 10 squared. 5 squared 25, take 3 squared 9 will be 16, which is 4 squared. 10 squared 100, take 25 will not equal 25. Okay. Write down the Pythagoras theorem for these triangles using the given pronumerals. So this one, the classic, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This one, d squared plus e squared equals f squared. Next one will be x squared plus y squared equals z squared. This one will be s squared plus t squared equals v squared. This one is f squared plus g squared equals e squared. And the last one will be a squared plus b squared equals x squared. So again, the hypotenuse is the last one we mentioned. It's always going to be opposite the right angle, opposite the square. Okay, keeping on going. Substitute these numbers into the formula. So that's just going to be 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. 8 squared plus 15 squared, 17 squared. Hypotenuse is always going to be the longest side as well. Doesn't have to be the longest by a lot. A perfect example. And the last one, 5 squared plus 12 squared, 13 squared. Okay. Write down Pythagoras theorem using the pronumerals in this diagram. That should be fairly straightforward. I might fill out this. 3 squared is 9. 6 squared is 36. Squared 64. 4 squared 16. 8 squared 64. 15 squared is 225. 17 squared is 289. 100. 25. And these are also the same thing, 25, 100, and 289. Just showing that the a squared plus b squared equals c squared, just further proving the Pythagoras theorem. Alright, which two columns gave equal results? Well, the last two. Squared plus b squared and c squared. What would be the value of c squared if a squared plus b squared equals c squared and a squared is 4 and b squared is 9? So 4 squared plus 9, that will be 25. C squared will be 25 for the first one. And for the second one, it says a squared. Oh, whoops, that's not right. It's actually trying to say 4 plus 9. So that would be root 13. Sorry, 13 would be c squared, because 4 plus 9 is 13, and this one, 7 plus 13 would be 20. 20 would be c squared for the second one. Alright, what would be the value of a squared plus b squared if a squared plus b squared equals c squared and c squared is 25? That means a squared and b squared will be 25. A squared plus b squared be equal to 25. And for this one, if c squared is 110, is a squared plus b squared equals 110. And whereabouts are we going to put the right angle? It's to be near the L shape. It has to be opposite the longest side. This side is longest, got to be opposite that. That side's longest, got to be opposite that. That side's longest, it's got to be opposite that. Alright, and last question. Find the total number of Pythagorean triples with whole numbers of less than 100. So, I guess 4 squared plus 3 squared equals 5 squared. I know you can double those numbers as well. You can go 8 squared plus 6 squared equals 10 squared. So yeah, I think that's pretty much what it's asking for. Anyways, a hint. Oh yes, well it's pretty much got your answers there. It says using whole numbers less than 100. Well, I guess you could just double the numbers again. So you could do things like 16 squared plus 12 squared is going to be equal to 20 squared. Yeah, you could end up just copying that. But yeah, that's pretty much 1 to 10, 11's not complete. Or 1 to 9, 11's not complete. But yeah, if you've got any questions about any of these, just